走了，好了，没事了，没事。行，好，可以了，可以了。OK。
好了 ，OK， so。
我不知道你手机能下网吗？刚才看不到，刚才看不到。好了，好了，刚才咱们好像不知道什么网络问题。咱进工厂，大家在这儿都。
现在还用换一下吗？现在呢？现在 OK 了。那继续吗？重新还是继续？跟他问一下。继续是吧 ？Okay. So since 2014, we started our way to cooperate with Germany, and we planned to get more German technologies. So till 2015, we went to Germany and found new technologies for our machine tools. Because 90% of the Chinese manufacturers, they are using the manual cast, and also we want to have something different. And so we found that in Europe, there's many manufacturer, very high level manufacturer, that top suppliers of machine tools. OK， 现在结束，重新来是吧？对，观众说一声，还是自己产出来的。对。Sorry, just now it's only a test, and now the test is okay. Then we will go back to the beginning, and then we start again. 重新来是吧？那就从外边从大门口吗？你现在你跟那个，我点了好几十个赞。好几十个赞。确定一下，现在信号是正常的，是吧？现在正常吗？行。抬高一点是吧？行。是吧？我觉得稍微慢一点，可能能好点，客户能听得清楚一些，更清楚一些。对，应该对的，客户是老外，老外。行，那我稍语速慢一点，我就怕时间太长。好啦 OK 啦 OK. Hello, good morning everyone. Here's Emily, and I'm at the headquarters of Shandong Precision Machine Tool Company. And this is our first live show. And I'm gonna to introduce you about the company, the workshop, and all the detail of our products. So here is this door. It's a big door of our company. And later I will guide you into the company to introduce each corner. And also at the opposite way of this is an industry park, and this is called the Sino-European Industry Park. And so in this industry park, we just finished the construction part, and later we will gonna have many European suppliers and manufacturers related to machine tools come to China and build here together with us. And all business and all companies here related to machine tool business. So later we're gonna get suppliers and also more partners from Europe to help develop higher level machine tools here. Okay, let's go inside the company to have a check. Here, this is the garden of the company, and this campus is very beautiful. That we got lots of trees and plants here, and this is it because that the company want to build a very beautiful and good environment for the companies. And you can see that this is the name of our company, DEED, D-E-E-D, and DEED in English also have a meaning of contract that shows that we're going to do what we promised and do what we guaranteed for the customers and to provide the customer more qualified products. Okay, next let's go into the buildings. So for this building, that we got all the officers here, and so we got different departments like purchasing, sales, financing, and different. They have different functions, and to make sure that all the business that we go through and go out is normal and smooth. Okay, here is a hobby. It's a hall of the company, and so you can see that we have our mission here. Though it is in Chinese, but I would like to explain to you that our mission is like Chinese machine to win respect from all over the world. So now that Made in China do not have very good reputation in the world because of sometimes we got to the reputation of local service, but that is not true for us. That's what we are doing now is that to provide a good quality and provide the best service for you when you get our machine tools. And we want to change the reputation, and we want to just gain respect from all the customers that we got from all over the world. So for details, I would like to get you to the showrooms and to the workshops. Here is the showroom of the company. So they have two functions. The first function is to show we have the picture wall, and on the picture wall it shows the history of the company, and also this part is for reception. Like when the customer comes here, we have the commercial meeting. We go to have the negotiating, and we just maybe sometimes show customer our detailed introduction and have some commercial meetings here. And so I would like to give you a very detailed introduction of this company now. And so the company name, I speak again, is Shandong DEED Precision Machine Tool Company. And so we started from 2007, and the company belongs to Yonghua Group.
那个冯老师，你看，因为我现在把它去掉了。啊 ，OK。在看的时候把声音关一下，要不然会响啊。
Okay. So we started so we repeat again that since 2011 till 2014 that we started to find our way to have our own technology. So we cooperated with German companies and Italian companies for big machines and five-axis machines. And in 2014, we started to cooperate with our partner of Rottler. And it's not for business; it's mainly on the technology. So how we cooperate with each other is that when we plan to develop, so Rottler engineer and lead engineer will have the drawings designs together. And when we have some drawings in China, we send the drawings to Germany to let the engineers from Rottler to have an audit and to make sure that it's not only meet the customer, but also meet the demands of a customer from out of China. So after that, we will make the first demo machines together. After the demo machines finished, we ship it to China and like to change the suppliers and change the parts and make it more cost effective and make it more suitable for the market. So in 2015, we started to have another development on the company. So firstly, let's say we to learn more technologies. So at that time, we started to have the manual casting technology, and then we started to learn the steel board welding technology. In 2016, we got our own company in Germany, and we purchased the land and we built the houses by our own. And then we got the company named Hybrid. What's the meaning of hybrid? Hybrid means high speed, high precision, and high speed. And this is this kind of machines with high precision and high speed. And 5 minutes driving. 5 minutes driving from Hybrid to Rottler. So it's first that we want to have a more close communication on technology with Rottler. The second is what's the function of Hybrid now? One is the training center. So before we got the Corona, before COVID-19, every 3 months we have a team to Hybrid to get the training. So the team, we have at least one mechanist for assembly, at least one electrical engineer for assembly, at least one RD center engineer, and at least one sales manager. So we go there and learn from Rottler and other companies in Germany. Then when we come here, we just upgrade our own technology and assemblies. So we in this day by day that we keep improving our products. And the second function of this Hybrid is a sales and services center in Europe, because this is in Germany, and from Germany fly to each country of Europe, and it will be within 2 hours. So it's very easy for us to go for after sales service or do the installation and commission for each machine that we send out. So we also have just the stock machines. So it's not so many, but 6 or 10 CS machines. And we also have a warehouse of all the spare parts that they may need. So we can provide a very good and the perfect service after sales service, especially for the customer from Europe. And so after that, we started to get the third time transmission. That's that. Since 2017, all our products are using manual, and we just no machine indeed you can find with iron casting. So after that, we started to have more machines to special industries, like we just developed the new machines like taping center for the wheel hub, and we also have the vertical machining centers and also the lathe machines. Only. So it can help us serve automotive industry better. And since last year and this year that we got the Corona worldwide, and it's also affected our business for overseas market. And it's also why I stand here today and do this online live show to show you our factory. But in these 2 years, it not means that we stop our development. In these 2 years, we started to think about what we can provide and what we can develop for the market. And we are doing lots of work to upgrade our products, collect more information from the market, and we did lots of improvements for the machines, also the team building, and also for the service. And we want to just show the customer a new need and a new team after COVID-19 gone, and when we can go out of China to have the meeting or have a visit face to face to the customers. We can show them that this is not waiting. We are keep moving and we are keep. So this is a general introduction of the company. That's our main products. So firstly, you can see that we got the big machines. Like I said, since 2012 or 13, we already got this kind of big large machines. So first series I want to introduce is the Gantry Machining Center. So we go to different series. This is the GL series Gantry Machining Center, and then this is the GMC series. So they have some kind of difference. But to be just a general comparison of this kind of two series is GL series is more economy and GMC series is more precision or precise. If you are in a mold industry or you have the parts that need very high precision, then you can choose GMC. If you are doing rough machining and not so high precision demand, you can choose GL series. And besides that, we also have the 5-axis machining center. Later, we can give a detailed introduction that this machine was made in Germany 100%. And this is a 5-axis simulation. Okay, so we go to next series. So this series is for vertical machining center. You can see it's very common in the market that almost each manufacturer of CNC machines this series. And so we also have two series. The first series is VL series, vertical machining center, and the second is VMC series, vertical machining center. The difference between two series is also like GL and GMC, and the VMC is more high processing, and the VL is more economic. But what's the difference between us and other suppliers of machine tools is because all these machines are using manual casting. So manual gets very big advantage to reduce the vibration of the machines. So each machine, when we do the machining, it's impossible for us to just have no vibration. But we have our own ways to reduce the vibration. And besides that, we also have VT. This is for taper. And we have the Farnack robot series, but this one is more economic. And this one, we have very high speed, like 20,000 RPM. And also the rapid traverse of this machine is very good because what we are doing now for all series is that, like for this machine base and columns, this fixed parts we want it to be heavier, and for the other parts we want it to be lighter to have more to have faster response time. Okay, next we're going to lead you to the workshop to help you about what we are doing now. This is our workshop, and so this is the first part of the workshop. From here, you can see that there are many sheet metals. So I want to tell you that this is for the beginning, only one part for the machine tools. That's for all our machine tools. We do the machine covers by our own. So you can see here that we have different facilities to do the machine covers together. So we have the laser cutting machine to lay off the machine, to cut the machine, to get off the machine sheets. And we have the bending machine machines to get to bend the sheet metal according to different shapes. The heavy lines and all series of protection lines to get the complete power for the machine. And the one advantage of that is that you can see that each part is covered and the full power will fall down on the floor.
知道，但是没有卖啊。
Normally, we separated the power part into three divisions. This is for the whole cover. The second is for the electrical cabinet. And the next is for the windows covers.
知道啊。再稍微正正听一下，我给你连个蓝牙耳机听。
行。
不行了。
听不见是吧？
听不见。
可以去到那边的时候，你再介绍这块。
也行。好了，车间基本上都是这个声音。
车间的部分还有很多是吧？
后面没有那么吵，我们可以往前走。
行。
So you can see that we are quite busy of different colors and then we have different work relations to them, and so every year is busy. This is the second part of the power activation. This is called the electrical cabinet. And also this part is the part, and so it will not fall down to the floor. This is our testing line. You can see that we have very big covers and we have small covers. We have a very professional testing line to make sure that the covers you get is high qualified. And here is our steel factory, and you can see that all the welding machines, steel welding factory, all the machines we import from China, from Germany. And so we got an engineer from Germany. They will work here together every day with the welders to guide them on how to make sure the welding, the seams are qualified, and how to make sure that to reduce the deformation of each part and make it perfect. These are some parts that we are waiting for the heat treatment. And except our own orders for the steel welding and also for the cover making, we also can receive separate orders from outside. So there are some companies that they want us to design the covers and make the covers for them. Then we will do it for them. And if the customers also have some works that they need us to do the welding for them, then we can also get the separate orders. So it means that we are not only supply the machine tools, but also can supply you other businesses like cover like design and making covers for you. That actually the parts is not our own parts. So sometimes we got more and more separate orders, and we will do it for them also. So here is our assembly workshop. You can see that here we got the vertical machining center. And this part is called the vertical machining center. And what we designed is that we also separated the machine parts into different parts. And so you can see that for this area, they only assembly the same parts and everyone doing the same work. You can see this is the column of the machine. And this is all manual casting. You can see that for the groups and for the surface to install the linear guideway, we embedded into the manual casting. So you can see that it's also very strong now. And this is the spindle box. This is the steel welded, and after steel welded, after heat treatment and the other treatments, then we do the painting. And so for this part, everyone are doing the same work. And after they finish the assembly, after they test every part is okay, then we can make it ready. Then we're waiting for other parts, and we then at last together to mount them together, get the whole machine. As you can see, this part, this is the machine base. And you can also see that so it's separately, and we do the punching, we do this middle casting together, and we embedded all the steel parts also. Then after that, you can see that this is the first part now. First part and the second part are already mounted together. Then we will get more parts together, and we'll get the whole machine like this. So this is the whole machine like, and this is our model V850, and this is the smallest model of the vertical machining center. And in this plant, there's there are all vertical machining centers, and almost all already ordered from the customer, and some are in testing, and some are waiting to be delivered. You can see that the machine is different. So this machine is a continental machining center. For each MC, we have two types. One is with two pallets, and another with one single pallet. My colleagues here are doing the debugging for these machines. And also at this part, this is another new developed product. This is a vertical lathe, mainly for automotive parts. As you can see, each part in our factory, each product with each machine base, they are all manual casted. You can see it's very heavy, and so with this manual casting head, when the machine do the machining, then when they do the machining, they got some vibration, but it can perfectly take the vibration by soul and decrease the vibration. Make sure that the machine can have its very stable precision. And this is the test workpiece that we did. And you can see that for this one, it's not so clear, but I can show you someone. I'm not sure if you can clearly or not, but you can see that here there are 127 needles. And this is only milled by the vertical machining center, 60 VMC 60B.
不用找，
不用找。
可以看到。
OK， go。
Also, we get different types of. This is Confucius, and you can see that if we go to the drawing a photo for a person, then you can see on the face and everywhere it's very clear. and all the surfaces are finished very well. And this one is a shaft cover. This is for the automotive industries and also milled bell machines. Also, this one is a wheel and to have wheels on it, and also wheel parts. And these two are the test pieces. This one is for the wheel hub, and this one is another one for the leaves. And by the test work pieces, and we milled that, and then we just get the scores that we can get in this industry. And it's found that our machine have very close performance. That the price is not so high, but the performance is very good. It's come from the 5-axis. And for this part is also assembly workshop for vertical machine center. You can see that is another part, and also this is the stock machines that we have now for customers, and some of them are still in testing. Same for these parts. So for vertical machining center, our standard configuration is a direct drive, 10,000 RPM, and belt type 8,000 RPM. Normally standard configuration 2 magazine ATC 24. And for the machine models, we have 850, 1370, 5080. Also for VMC, we have 50B, 60B, and 70B. And now this is the machining factory of us. And you can see that we have very old machines from Germany. The name is Wadish. And these two machines, one have Germany, and this machine we imported from Germany. It's very old machine. It's around 70 or 80 years old. Very old in the company and all that. A machine for big parts, that is 2 machines. Also here, we have many machines also for different machining demands. We have the bowing machines, and we have the grinding machines, and we have the catching machine center also. And I want to show you our RS series to explain our cooperation with Germany. So this is RS series. This one is one of climate cases, and then this one is as you can see from the cover of the machine, it's quite different from what we have now in front facilities. And you can see that our both the Yunhua. So our company is Yunhua, and then in 2017, which is the, and then this two machines looks like more Europe. Yes, it's because it's 100% made in Germany, and all the parts are produced in Europe, and all the assembly and design are finished in Germany. And why we do this? This two machines can call the demo machine, as I mentioned. This is the mode of the cooperation between that we decided to do the RS series, and we like to have this kind of machines to show to the customers and to show to our market. Then we just talk about the idea, and we develop the idea together with Rotterdam, and then we just do the demo machines in Germany. So you can see that this is a Siemens controller, and that is a heavy hand controller. And you can see that the layout of the machine is quite big in our vertical machine center. And after finish the all the builds in Germany, we imported the machine back to China. So now they are in our factory. What we are doing now is that we do inspections to the constructions, to all the structures, and we want to find a better way to make it more suitable for Chinese market and overrun. And this balance is that going to the next is to make all the space more compact and to make the layout smaller than the original one. And we just want to develop a more suitable and cost-effective fabrics and then ship it to the market. Here is our warehouse for the parts. You can see this is only one part. This is a warehouse for small parts, and everywhere is neatly arranged. And we note the number for each part on each layer. So when we want to get some parts from this warehouse, we can just quick choose and quick find the parts and give and deliver the parts to different departments that who need the parts. And this part of the factory is for delivery. You can see we have containers here today, and we're going to deliver 2 sets of vertical machines to Russia. And my colleague, they are doing the kind of loading and package jobs to make sure that it's effective, and we can just make the machine load safely and the delivery ship safely. After the machine finished, and we can see that each machine here, they stand there, but before they move here, they have already passed many times the test and many different items. And when we make sure that each machine already meets the demands and already passed the test, then we will move them here to factory. Workshop is also the machining workshop, but this one is very special for us because at the left side you can see we got a lot of machines and many machines bear the name of Yonghua. So actually this is we are using each machine for the machining, but actually each machine is our history and shows each period development of this company. So you can see we have gantry machine here. But each gantry machine center is sometimes they are built in 2009 and someone 2013, and someone have we still got one with a moving beam, and we have the first version HMC. So this shows our development, and these machines they are using iron casting. But on the right side you can see all the machines have the same cover of the machine we launched now. They already got a new cover and new design, and all machines here they have the manual casting. Why we want to show this workshop is because that these are machines that we made by our own and we are using by our own. So every time we guarantee the precision, the quality of the machine. I want to show you that we are using our own machines and every machine works perfect. So sometimes if you want to see more processing videos and you want to get more accurate, then we